If we are going to combine these letters, the sound is long I. Long I. Let's go to your vocabulary. First one, we have I, tie. I, tie. We have here the I, pie. Pie. Next, we have I, fright. Fright. Also, we have I, plier. Plier. I know you like this. It's I, fries. Fries. Oh, this one is I cried. I cried. And for your structure, what is it? You will say it's a. What is it? It's a flyer. It's a flyer. What is it? It's a tie. It's a tie. What is it? It's a pie. It's a pie. What is it? It's a fried. It's a fried. What is it? It's a cried. It's a cried. And what is it? It's fries. It's fries. Goodbye, kids, and see you next time.